Start. Paragraph. Mr. Chairman, I am placing on the table of the House a notification which makes applicable to the Life Insurance Corporation certain provisions of the Insurance Act. The House will recall that Section 43 of the Life Insurance Corporation Act lays down that these provisions would be made applicable to the life insurance corporation subject to such conditions and modifications as may be specified in the notification. The notification is in of this requirement. Para. One of the sections which the notification deals with is Section 27 of the Insurance Act. It is by now common knowledge that this section defines in fairly precise terms the ambit within which an insurer could operate in the matter of investments by making it applicable to the life insurance corporation. Government is laying down the framework within which the life insurance corporation can similarly operate. In short, this modified section contains by and large the investment policy which the life insurance corporation will follow. Para. There are good reasons as to why the salutary provisions of Section 27 should be retained. Both the freedom given and the restrictions imposed by it have stood the test of time while ensuring the safety of the policyholders' money. The possibility of argument profits has also been afforded. For this reason, Section 27 has proved satisfactory both to the insurer and the policyholders. We therefore have followed these principles subject only to such changes as have become necessary owing to the fact that investments which were previously spread over 240 odd companies are now held by one single corporation. It may add that in coming to our decision, we have consulted both the corporation and the Reserve Bank of India. Para. Under the scheme referred to, the investments of the life insurance corporation will be divided into three broad categories. Firstly, the government and approved scrutiny, which generally mean gift age security. Secondly, investments approved under this very section. And thirdly, other investments. The limitation are that at least 50% of the total funds should be held in government and approved scrutinies and not more than 15% should be held in the form of other investments. Stop.